When there's a chill in the air, you are going to crave this easy hot toddy. It is the perfect cure for cold or whatever ails you during the cold season, even if it's just the fact that it's cold. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are going to make a hot toddy. This is a classic winter cocktail that you can serve during the holidays, or you can just sip on it when you're just feeling like poo. So we're going to make this with just a few simple ingredients, and then you can garnish it with whatever you want. It is a whiskey-based cocktail, but you can also use bourbon or rum. If you're not a whiskey fan, I lean more towards a bourbon, so today we're making it with bourbon. So you can also use hot water. Hot water is generally what is used for a hot toddy, but you can mix it up with other things like a hot cider or tea. So I have water and apple cider both here, and then bourbon and lemon juice, honey, and that is the ingredients for your hot toddy. The garnishes or flavorings that you can add are crystalized ginger, which is great if you have like an upset stomach, or cinnamon, and then orange or a lemon slice. You can also add like star anise or something like that, but this is what we're using today. So we're just going to divide the bourbon evenly between 2 mugs. And then add the lemon juice. Also divide it between your 2 mugs. Maybe one will be more lemony than the other. And then we're going to add apple cider to 1 and water to the other. And you can see like the color difference here. Obviously that's the apple cider. Just gonna add a splash of cider to this one as well too, just so they kind of look similar. And then you're going to drizzle in some honey. And then we can add our aromatics. So I'm just gonna put in a cube of the crystallized ginger in each and a slice of orange. And typically you're gonna stir this all together, and I forgot, so we're just gonna go with that. It'll all work itself out. And then your cinnamon stick. And that's it. So now I'm going to take a sip because I've been waiting for this all day long. It is so soul warming. That's perfect. That's the perfect description. You can taste the apple cider, even though there's just a hint in there. It's super lemony, and that honey just makes it, and there's the perfect amount of bourbon in there. If you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.